Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the health benefit of drinking okra water. But before we get to that part, I'm going to be introducing to you okra. So guys, this is okra over here. You could see the way it is. These are known as lady's finger. They are blooming plants that are seed pods, which are very edible. Yes, you can see it. They call it lady's finger because of the shape of how it is. You know, we have people that have long nails, so this is how they describe it. These are very good edible plants. Yes. So countries that these plants can be very grown are warm tropical regions such as Africa and Southern Asia. Like me over here, we're from Nigeria, so we have it all over the place. So it has to be a very tropical, region. This will thrive very well there. Those are the places that we cultivate okra. Also, okras are very rich in a lot of vitamins. Vitamins such as vitamin C, which help to fight off infection, and also manganese that helps for blood regulations. So it has a lot, but this is just to tell you that okra is not a plant to joke with, especially in this season. Yes, in this season we really need to eat something that will help us to fight off bacteria. So a lot of you might be seeing okra and just looking at it, okra, duh. Don't say duh, it has a lot of health benefit. And for people that some people are allergic to eating it because of that slimy nature, there are various ways of consuming it. You can fry it, you can soak it in water, which we're going to be talking about today, which is our core topic. And also you can cook it, which is mostly common in mostly all the African countries. Yes, it's very common. They give it to women who have just given birth. Okra is just a known soup, a common man's soup. A lot of people are eating this, but they don't know that this is actually beneficial to the body. So guys, today is all about the health benefit of taking okra water. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you're going to be preparing it. Yes, I'm going to be showing you. I just wanted you guys to see that this is okra over here. So guys, you're going to be coming over and I'll be showing you the preparation and the recipes for you to prepare your okra water. Now, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome. This is where I bring to you awesome healthy recipe. So if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Click on that bell notification so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I do upload a new video. Come along with me and let's prepare our okra water. Guys, this is my okra over here. We're gonna be using 4 sticks of this okra. I'm going to be getting my little bowl here and I will be placing the okras over here. And guys, first thing first, I'm going to be pouring the water to just wash off the dirt that are there. So I'm going to be leaving these for just 30 seconds. So it's 30 seconds already and I'm going to be removing it from the water one by one and we start chopping it off. We don't need the first one. This, we're placing it over here, and you don't need to really over slice your okra, just a little bit. And we won't be using this also. So this is how I'm going to be slicing the okra. You could see that this okra is a very good okra. It's already, I'm feeling the sliminess already. Some okras are very difficult to cut, so it's not like this. So guys, these ones are not needed. These ones, I'm going to be throwing them away. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is transferring these into my glass cup. So you can see it. So right now I'm going to be pouring in the water, and I'm going to be giving it a very good stir. And after this, I'm going to be getting a good clean leather, covering it like this, and I'll be leaving it down for 24 hours. So guys, this is the one I soaked already for 24 hours, and we are going to we're going to be looking at it, how it is. So you see it, you could see how, let me show you something. You could see how slimy it is. So I'm going to be still, mixing it together, and I'm going to get a strainer and we'll strain. So guys, this is my bowl, this is my strainer over here, and I'm just going to be pouring it in, and you can see, can you see how slimy the water is? So at this process, you need to just relax and let it enter gently. Can you see the texture? Oh my god, this is one thing I love about okra water. You see how, can you see it? Just imagine. So I'm going to be patient, and I'll allow every of the water get strained into the little bowl here. So guys, after extracting it, this is what it looks like. Can you see it? This is what you're supposed to get. Welcome back guys. So this is the okra water over here. You can see it. You can see how slimy it is. Just 4 okras and a cup of water soaked for 24 hours. You could see what we got after straining it. This is so beautiful. So guys, if you're having issues with ovulation, this will help you. This is very good for ovulation. It helps to boost up your ovulation. Yes, when you know you are ovulating is when those slimy substances like this are coming out. Sometimes it goes on for like 3 days, but for the first day, you will feel it, and it comes with temperature. Then you're ovulating. So for people who want to have issues, those are the times that they need to like meet with their partner. And for some girls that have been complaining that they are not ovulating, once you're able to take this okra water for close to 3 months, just once you now start seeing this, you are ovulating, and anything can happen around that time. Also, if you want to slim down, lose some fat, this will help you. For these two, I've tried that. It helped me because I've been taking okra water. Okra water has really helped me. And also, this helps for blood sugar also, to regulate the blood. So, and this is also good for men and women. Yes, Now, if you're on your period and you're scared, this is very, very good. In fact, okra water helps the blood. So it's very good. Like, let me say the third day, after when you're menstruating, you can take your okra water. It helps. It helps. Also, do your research and you don't have to be scared. I did my research before coming here. But that does not also still stop you from seeing your doctors. I don't joke with my doctors also, you know. Doctors are helping and they are saving lives. Now also, um, like I told you, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So this is it here. Can just take it like this. It's just because of this video. You have to take it once because I'm going to be taking it once. So guys, that slimy part, some people might not really like it. You get me? But the thing is that just see it like you're taking your drugs. That's how you take it. See it like, you know, this is your drug, and the drug that, you know, natural drug that will help your body. You get me? Close your eyes and just take it. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me, for watching my videos from the beginning to the end. Bring to you awesome recipe, awesome remedies, you know. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that bell notification where you get to be the first to get notified whenever I do upload a new video, and you'll be seeing much more. If you like this face, do subscribe, press that bell button. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you some other time. Bye bye.